Welcome back. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will learn the C language. So programming basics. C is the popular and widely used programming language for creating computer programs. Character set we will use for the computer language. C language. Letters. Letter basically consists of the following set of letters to form our standard programs. A to Z in capital letters means capital letters you can use capitally A to Z, and you can also use small letters A to Z in small letters, but in C language these capitals and small letters are distinct with each others. Clear? Means C language is a case sensitive language. Case sensitive means if you are using the small letter, it means that you must write the small word over there. Okay? If there is a capital letter, you people must write the capital word over there. This is the case sensitive. Clear? Second one, set you will use the digits 0 to 9. Special characters. There are 30 special characters used in C programmings. These special characters are used for C statements like to create arithmetic statements, relational statements, assignment statements, and logical statements. Arithmetic statement means plus, minus, multiplications, and divisions. Clear? Relational statements means where they have the conditions. Yes, relation means yes, do it or not do it. Assignments and logically yes, no, true, false. And assignment statements where you will use the different things. These are the special characters: comma, period, semicolon, colon, question mark, single quote, double quote, exclamations, vertical bar, forward slash, backward slash. These slash mostly you people will use. Tilde, underscore, dollar sign, percentage marks, hash, a percent. This n you will be used later on when you will give the input values as an input to show what the name of it. A percent, correct. Power के लिए asterisk, minus, plus, equal to, left parenthesis, right parenthesis, left bracket, right bracket, left bracket, right bracket, and less than sign, या left angle bracket, या greater than or right angle brackets. These are the special characters you people use in C language. Okay? The next thing is that reserved word. Reserved words are predefined words that is used for special purposes in C and are not used for other purpose. Means like in the English language, some verbs you are using. If you are talking about the past, you people will be use the was verb. Clear? Same like that in languages, each languages has its own reserved words. Clear? And these reserved words will be used for the specific purposes. If they are in the small letters, you people must be right in the small letters. If these words are in capitals, and you people must be right in the capitals. Clear? So they have 32 words defined as the reserved words. And these reserved words are in the library of the C language. Clear? Each language has its own library, own dictionary. You will people use these words from the libraries, like auto. Clear? Auto means when you will write auto in language, it means that automatically the next things will be appeared. Counting, mostly use it. Break, case, character. When you people will be declare the characters, so the short, the word will be used character, the first four letter of character, char. Constant, continue, these words will be used in the language when you will make the programs. Okay, in chapter number 3 and chapter 4 and 5 मोस्टली हम इन तीनों चैप्टर्स में ये पढ़ेंगे, तो आपको बहुत अच्छे तरीके से वर्ड्स फेमिलियर हो जाएंगे. कंटिन्यू, डिफॉल्ट, डू, डबल, एल्स, enum, extern, float, for, go to words you have used in chapter 1. If, integer, long. Integers mean any variables. Long, when the words have the long characters. Registers, return, go to back. When you want to move back, you will use return word. Short, sign, size of, static, struct, switch, type of, union, unsigned, void, volatile and while. इसमें वफार है. ओके, ठीक है. जब आप लैंग्वेज के अंदर ये वर्ड्स यूज करेंगे तो आपको खुद ब खुद याद भी हो जाएंगे. क्लियर? So reserved words are the predefined words. These words are already defined in C language. We will use it. The next thing is that header files. Header files contain definitions of functions and variables, which is used into any C programs by using the preprocessor hash include statements. Means hash include statements से भी आप देखेंगी. Header file have the extension .h. Clear? Header file have the extension .h which contains C functions declarations. Means when you want to declare the functions, you will use the header files .h and will be started the hash include. Look, library files, C library files. You people guys ये draw कर लें copies पे. Library file C library files have the header files. C library files contain the header files, and each header file contain the set of functions. Clear? Repeat it. C library have different files, and these files contains the header files, and each header files contain the set of functions. Clear? ये याद रखने के लिए आप इस तरह ड्रॉ कर लें. इसी को मजीद एक्सप्लोर करते हैं. Each header files contain informations या declarations for a particular group of functions like std standard I input. I will be input. O output .h header file. Standard input output .h header file contain the declarations of standard input output functions. Clear? When you will write the programs, you will declare start it standard input output functions. उसके लिए हम क्या लिखेंगे? std standard io input output .h It's mean this is the header file, which is used for get the input and print the output. When you want to take the input and at the end print the output, you will use standard input output header files. Clear? Example, scan F for input, print F for output. Clear? Means when you will use in C language, you take the values from the users, you will use the scan F. And when you people want to display the result, you will take the print F. Clear? The next header file, this is the one header file which contain the input outputs. The header file math.h. Math.h means the mathematical declarations of the functions available in C library. Clear? Declarations of mathematical functions. And other files, header file, constant input output header files contains declarations of getch, ये characters को show करते हैं. And clear screen, etc. These, you people will be familiar with these when you will make a practice of it. Okay? Here, these are the three types: standard input output, math, and constant input output header files. Look, standard C library, suppose it has different header files. Okay? And these header files contain the set of functions. Standard input output contain the input output functions. Math contain the mathematically functions. Constant input output have contain the different characters, different performing functions. Suppose here is an example. We will start hash include less than greater sign. In between them, we will write stdio.h and then print f curly bracket. ठीक, अभी हम practice भी करेंगे इसकी. Look, the use of ये guys लिख लें, ये जो है the use of angle brackets, the use of angle brackets, ये जो angle brackets हैं, the use of angle bracket inform the compilers to search the compilers include directory for the specified files. ठीक है? Means कि यहाँ से हमें specified file का पता चलेगा. The use of double quotes, ये जो हम print में use हुआ है, around the file name inform the compilers to search in the current directory for the specified files. Clear? This is the example. Okay. आप ये लिखे, हम इसके भी प्रैक्टिस करते हैं.